This is a video about how to buy Saitama the easiest way. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click the link down below in the description box, and you are going to create an account with Bitmart if you do not already have one. So you're going to need to create an account with Bitmart, and then you're going to need to get your account verified. Now on the app version, if you click this little arrow in this corner next to the little Mars person, then you can upload your ID for verification here. But for me, it worked the best when I went to the web version of it, still on my phone, and then I clicked on where my email was, and then it took me to be able to submit information for verification. Now, if your account is already verified, then you can go ahead and skip to the next step that I'm about to explain. But if it is not verified, then complete those steps. Make sure that you click the link down below in the description box. And then to move on to the next step, then definitely make sure that you also click the link down below for the next apps if you do not have them. What you're going to do is you're going to go over to Coinbase and you're going to purchase Stellar Lumen. The reason why you're going to purchase Stellar Lumen or XLM is because the fees to transfer it are much less than other cryptos. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to convert $100 of Bitcoin, or I'm just going to convert $125 worth of Bitcoin over to let's do 150. Let's be daring today, and we're going to convert it. Oh, I'm not actually selling it, Lord. I am going to click to convert one crypto to another, and I'm going to convert it over to XLM. Once you have converted it over to XLM, then you are going to be able to transfer it over to Bitmart. So I am just going to wait. I know that there are so many people that are over here trying to buy these crypto, especially these hype coins and these coins that are moving crazy. So now that I have transferred over $150 over to XLM, I am just going to click view account. So perfect. It has gone through. Okay. I'm just going to go to the prices and search for XLM here. Okay, cool. So now that I have my Stellar Lumen, I am going to click right here, and this is where you're able to send. So when you click this little paper airplane looking thing in the top right corner, that's where you're able to send. Okay, so now that we have it open and ready to send, we're going to go back over to Bitmart and we are going to click on deposit. Now, that is because we are wanting to ultimately deposit it to our wallet. So we are going to type in XLM, and you have to make sure that both the memo and the address are transferred over onto Coinbase. So on your address, you click copy, and then you go over here, you type in the amount in USD that you want to send, and then you click continue. So now that you've clicked continue, you're going to paste the address into, now for me, I always like to check the last digit and the first digit, which is G and 6, to make sure everything is good. Okay, awesome. Now I'm going to copy the memo and I am going to paste it over here. I like to add a note, so I'm just gonna put Saitama so that I can go back to it and be able to see that I made this purchase. Now all you do is you click on preview send, and once that's done, you're just going to click send now. Like I said, the reason why you're using Stellar Lumen is because of the fact that it is much cheaper to use than the other cryptos as far as the cost to send. See, I barely lost anything. I only lost 50 cents in comparison to if I were to have sent a different crypto like Bitcoin, I would have lost a few dollars. wait for the Stellar Lumen to appear here. It will show that it's available. And once that's done, I'm going to convert the Stellar Lumen over to USDT. All right, so now that my Stellar Lumen has hit my account, what I am going to do is I am going to sell the Stellar Lumen to USDT. So I am going to go here and I am going to click sell. So once you are over here to then sell it, I'm changing it to a market order. Optimal market price is fine, 100%. And then I am going to click sell. So now that that is done, I have converted my XLM over to USDT. Okay. Awesome. So now that I have my USDT, I can go over here and type in. So in order to purchase the Saitama, all that you have to do is you're going to click on markets at the bottom, and then in the top right corner, you're going to click on the little magnifying glass so that you can type in Saitama. You want to make sure that you type in Saitama USDT since you have gotten access to USDT by selling your XLM or Stellar Lumen. So what you're going to do now is you're going to click buy down here at the bottom, and then once you do that, you're going to click where it says limit order, and you are going to change it to a market order. So if you want to use only a certain amount of your USDT, then you can select down here the percentages of the amount of money that you currently have in your account that you want to put towards this specific purchase. You can do 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. Since I only have a little bit of USDT left in my account because I did purchase some other coins and then transfer them off of this platform to one of my other crypto exchanges, I'm only going to be buying $8 worth of Saitama right now. So I am just going to go ahead and click buy after I've changed it to a market order. And once you have done that, your order has been fulfilled. So all you have to do now is go all the way out of that back to the main screen. And then on the bottom right corner, you're going to click on assets, and then you should see your Saitama appear right there. So as you can see right here, I can see my Saitama right here is worth $7.98. So the fee for me to buy that was only around 2 cents. That's perfectly good with me. I'm super fine with that. As of right now, it does show that withdrawals of Saitama are unavailable off of this platform. So you can tell that by the fact that it is grayed out. You can deposit Saitama into here, and then you can also click trade if you wanted to sell the Saitama. So in order to sell, and I just want to show you guys this just so because of the fact that you cannot withdraw this off of the platform right now, I just wanted to show you so that you can sell it if you wanted to once you have received your desired profits. So now what you're going to do is when you come to Saitama, you want to make sure that it says sell instead of buy where you were at before. Make sure it says sell, and you want to change it from a limit order to a market order, and then you want to click on the percentage or the total number of Saitama that you have that you want to sell, and then you would just click sell. So another thing is that, and I just wanted to explain this in case you do not know what a limit order is. A limit order allows you to be able to sell at a specific price, and it will automatically take you out at that price without you having to be sitting on this platform to be able to do it. So as of right now, Saitama has 7 zeros. Okay, so there's 7 zeros in front of the 94. Let's just say that once it knocks off a 0 from the number, you want it to automatically sell your Saitama. So let's just say that it had 6 zeros and it was a 1, right? And that was in the 6th decimal place. You can actually set that as the price right here, and you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a 1, and then you can put the quantity. Let's just say you wanted 100 25% of it to sell, and then you can click sell. Now this total number at the bottom right here is the amount of money that you would get if it was to reach this price that is being shown in this estimate right here. So I just wanted to explain that in case you did not know, but once you sell it back to USDT, you can always just sell the USDT back to Stellar Lumen and then transfer the Stellar Lumen out to Coinbase or to the other platforms. I will have some links down below of the platforms that I use, and you can definitely go watch my other videos about the top investing apps that I'm currently using to invest, and amongst my other videos that I have on my channel. Let me know if there's anything else that you want to see from me. I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get access to my new videos coming up. Have a great day, guys.